First of all, open the PDF with your Adobe Acrobat and then go to Tools. Under Tools, you have to find out this Prepare Form tool, then click on Prepare Form. And here, click on Start. And now here you will find this checkbox. Select the checkbox and then go ahead and draw a checkbox in your PDF just like this. And then you can just go ahead and rename your checkbox. To require the field, you can just enable require field from here and click on all properties, and here under general you can change your checkbox name. You can add here a tooltip, go to appearance, and here you can change border color. If you want to add a fill color to your checkbox, you can just add it from here. Then click on close and click on preview, and here we can see I've successfully added the checkbox.